Hi, my name is Ella and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, you are warmly welcome. I hope you are preparing well for this festive season and your Christmas tree is up. Unfortunately, mine is not up. I hope to put it up soon, but I hope the preparation towards Christmas is as smooth and beautiful as it can be. So today's video is all about fragrance, and I'm come to share with you some fragrance collections I bought because there was sales and I took advantage of the sales. First of all, I'm going to talk to you about candles. I'm not an expert in candles. I don't know the notes. I don't know how it works. I just want to share with you the nice candles I got and how they smell like. I'm not going to give you details because that's not my field and I don't know much about it. All I know is they smell nice. So I'm just going to share with you the candles I got. First one I got, by the way, they are all from Bath and Body Works. This is how it looks like, and this one has a smell of peppermint. That's why I got it, because of the peppermint in it. You should just smell. This one is winter, and the notes are, we have white woods, pine needles, and spiced clove. Yeah, so the cloves, that's the trick. The cloves gives it that peppermint. Yeah, I know the cloves gives it that peppermint smell. It's just heavily, I think these are my favorite. I like the smell of cloves, so I think that's what drew me closer to this. I think this one was purposely made for the festive season. You can see from the packaging how it looks like. It's just all about Christmas, but the most beautiful thing about this candle is the smell. It's flawless, it's gorgeous, it's just, it has the right, how do I put it, the right aroma or the right oomph for your room. And when you light this up, your room would definitely smell heavenly. So you can try this out and I know you would love it. The next item I'm going to talk to you about is also a candle. This is the name, and this is how it looks like. I can't put my finger on the smell, but it smells like a candy I used to love, but I've forgotten. But it smells so good. This is sweater weather, and the notes are on the bottom of the package. So they have fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus. So yeah, the eucalyptus gives it that oomph, and I know I am familiar with eucalyptus. Yes, so this smells perfect for the winter and also for the season. It smells so good. You just have to go to Bath and Body Works and just look up for sweater weather and winter. They have the nicest smell for the season. You need to try this for yourself. So there are two. We have the winter and we have the sweater weather. I got just these two, and I must say I'm already in. Now let's go to fragrance mist. I took advantage of sales ongoing and I decided to get myself tons of mist, because when it goes back to the normal price, it's very expensive, and it was slashed more than 75%. I had to take advantage of. The ones I'm going to show you are from Victoria's Secret. It's Victoria's Secret Rush. I've used this before. I think this is one of my favorites. I got two of these. One of my favorites among the ones I've tried. This is my favorite with the Rush. The next one is Pure Seduction Untamed, and oh yeah, I've sampled the scents. They are all nice. So this one is made from ripened berry, violet leaf. Yeah, so yeah. The next item is Forest Love Spell. So the love spell is made up of forest pear, apricot, nectar, and yeah, they have love spell in the wild. So the name of the fragrance is love spell. This is love spell and it's cherry blossom, fresh peach, and cherry blossom and fresh peach. I think this is the least of my favorite among all of them. This is my favorite. It's just, you just get yourself this and you'd understand what I'm talking about. The rest to me are all okay. So these are the 4 fragrances I got from Victoria's. Now let's go to Bath and Body Works. I got 8 different fragrances from Bath and Body Works. Yes, it was also on sales, and I need to stock up because the next time they will have sales, only God knows. So I decided to stock up for my own personal. These collections, as I said, are from Bath and Body Works. The first one is 1,000 Wishes, and 1,000 Wishes, yeah, good thing is they have the notes at the back of the label. We have 1,000 Wishes notes. We have pink prosecco, sparkling quince, crystal peonies, gilded amber, and amaretto cream. Warm your heart 1,000 times over with a dazzling 1,000 Wishes, and it smells like 1,000 wishes. I've sampled everything, and I think if I put more fragrance on me, I'll catch a cold. So I decided not to put more on me. Then the next one we are going to talk about is You Are the One. And this indeed is the one. Out of all the fragrance, You Are the One is the one. And the notes are white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. And it says you're confident, sparkling, beautiful, you are the one. This is the star of all of it because I sampled, and I'm not the only one who sampled. I got a different opinion and we all arrived at this. So You Are the One, it's the one. The next item is Into the Light, and the notes are raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose, and it reads, evoke natural confidence and brilliant beauty from the beginning of your day into the night. So yeah, if you're a night person, when I say night person, you love going out in the night, this is the best fragrance you can use for yourself. It just fits the night theme perfectly. It's not so sweet, it's not so, yeah, this is not so sweet. It's just the perfect fragrance for the night. So we have In the Stars, the notes, we have star flowers, sandalwood musk, sugar tangelo, white angerwood, radiant amber. Excuse me with the words, I'm not familiar with notes and how they this I think is okay. In my opinion, is everyday fragrance. It smells nice, but it cannot be compared to the other one. It's just the one. It's Pinkberry Clouds, and the notes are strawberry, spun sugar, marshmallow fluff, fresh air, and it says fluffy pink clouds over the sunset sky as you dream away the perfect summer day. Such nice words, but it just smells in my opinion. It's just okay. It's just okay. One thing about buying online is you just go with whatever you think is best, and most of the time you end up guessing, but when you end up buying in the shop, you get to smell each and every one of them really well and pick the exact things you want, and you don't have to say I wish I had gone to the store to get a better fragrance. Yeah, that's online for you. So online you get good ones and not okay ones. But if you want good ones, I would advise you go to the shop, sample all the fragrance, and select the best ones you want. The next item on my list is Sweet Pea, And the notes are sweet pea, watery pear, shea, freesia, luscious raspberry, soft musk, and irritate. Sweet pea embraces a bright and playful spirit that's forever young at heart. I think sweet pea was the first one we sampled, and it was just glorious until you are the one decided to kick sweet pea out of the line. So I think this is the second favorite. The next one on the list is dark kiss. This is unique in its own way. I won't categorize it in terms of number one, number two, number three. It's just unique and different in all the fragrance. It's just unique. And the notes are black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot incense, dark vanilla bean, and plum musk. And it fall under the hypnotic spell of true romance with our exclusive dark kiss. And dark kiss is truly exclusive. As I said, you cannot categorize it among the ones I've showed you. It's just different and unique in its own way. Oh, and I love it. So the last item on my list is Pure Wonder. And Pure Wonder is basically just a fine fragrance mist. There are no notes in it, and it's just normal. It's just normal. So my takeaway from buying online: if you don't care about notes or how things smell, especially when it comes to fragrance, you can choose any you want. But if you're really picky and you're looking for specific note or you want specific fragrance, I'd advise you go to the shop, check them out yourself. There are lots of testers, they've written tests. You just spray some on yourself, take time to inhale the perfume. If you like, buy. If you don't like, you go to the next one, because there are tons of them to select from. If you're okay with anything you get like me, then you can decide to buy online. So this is basically my fragrance collection, what I got during the sales. And I'm not saying go and buy all these things, just take advantage of sales and get one or two fragrance you want for a loved one this festive season. I know they'll love it, they'll appreciate it. And thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. See you in my next video.